last week, we've talked about certain conditions under which we started developing this premise that we're going to have a rally. I don't even recall what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we were probably somewhere here on this day. So it seems to me, Bruce, that the rally is developing. We had 2 momentum days. The biggest question is about the volume signature. So demand is definitely diminishing. So this diminishing demand in the rally, the aggressiveness of this rally, suggests to me, and by the way, look at how the rally not only goes up, it overcomes 1/2 of this big capitulation bar. It overcomes and commits above, which is extremely important point on the side of the result. It commits above this breakdown bar and above the spring and the test levels that we've had before, above the support that acts now as the resistance. And it extends quite nicely, so suggesting that there is some strength. But to me, it's not really about the diminishing demand. It's more about the diminishing selling that we have had. And we've talked in the last class how the CO wants to squeeze out all of those shorts that started especially switching in the sentiment to the bear market at the time of the breakdown. So this breakdown starts to act as a confirmation to weak hints that we're in the bear market. What do? They open a lot of short positions, and then that increases, let's say like on options, the puts premium to squeeze this out. It's just so juicy. CO just cannot, stand aside, and just the money is on the table. We saw technically the diminishing thrust to the downside, so shortening of the thrust. We saw diminishing supply signature in itself. So the biggest question I would say is, what kind of rally are we having here? Well, first of all, just by the result, this rally is, pretty good. It's a change of behavior to all of the previous rallies that we have in this downswing. There is nothing better than that. So most definitely, we are done with this downswing. So the biggest question becomes, does this rally have some legs, right? So a couple of quick scenarios here. Either a scenario of immediate continuation, probably to the next level of resistance, where we had the breakdown, where we had the increase of the supply, where multiple times we tried to overcome this level, we couldn't. This level also populates the demand on to the left at the spring level, and also the test and the stop in action where this whole formation has started.